¿cómo se dice? Compartir su cara con el mundo, un poco. Ese es el maestro. Hicimos un trabajo hoy muy fuerte, o no muy fuerte, pero muy bien, ¿no?
Muy entretenido.
I'm bringing this piece of metal here to the guy to enlarge because the tension of the alternator is too weak.
So we started here by measuring up exactly how much more we need to extend the piece. Using an offcut from previous works, marked it up and prepared it for cutting. We now at this point have the structure of what we're creating.
Y el alfalso, tienes todo este abanico para regular.
At this point I left Juan to weld it back together and finish off. Meanwhile, I had the van up on the ramp to fix another issue. I wanted to get these guys to take a look at the exhaust they'd built the previous year, as some rust had started to build up underneath. Juan had now finished with his works, although I was back half an hour later to make a couple of adjustments. Nico now had the exhaust off and was welding up a couple of little small holes that had appeared, getting it all prepared and ready for Javier and painting. Giving it all a couple of coats, mainly to protect it all from the rust that builds up over time. It was great to connect with Javier, really good work. Then me and Nico mounted the exhaust back once again, terminado.
Estamos aquí en Estepona, vamos a despedir a Arguiri porque se va para su pueblo.
Yeah.
I come from for your city now.
And so, just like that, the journey begins back north towards the UK. Just found in the trash. Good condition surfboard. Just literally found it there on the side of the road in the trash. Can't believe it, man. Take that all day long. So we're setting off here from Jerez. Slightly overcast morning. I am here in Jerez. I'm going to be heading north today. Need to get on the road. Need to cover some miles today, so it's going to be a lot of driving. But you know, this is what it is. I've got to crack on. So here we go. Starting the day here in Jerez. I had a lot of different people that came and viewed the van. There are of course a few things that I'm still working on mechanically. Come on. Venga, vamos, in the bed, cama, venga. No. I had a guy offer me about 30% of my asking price, and at that point I thought, I'm just wasting my time. If you're going to get people like this that are just almost insulting me with silly offers, borrowed some money to get home. No, over there, in the bed. Look, it's only there, mira. Venga. And I'm heading now. I am now currently heading towards Salamanca. Covered good ground today, but yeah, man, I've just got to keep going. I've got to keep moving, keep pushing forward, and hopefully I'm going to get towards the north of Spain by the end of the day. So I'm losing a bit of oil from the crankshaft seal. It needs to be done, to be fair. I knew that when I was there in the south, but it's quite a big job, I think. So para arreglar.
Hay que sacar la caja de cambio. En este coche no es muy difícil comparado con otros coches.
Taking the most direct route up. I took it to the garage to have a look at that seal, see if it's something they could look at and maybe solve. And instead, they got it up on the ramp, and then they found that my front left wheel was loose, and they feared that it could be the wheel bearings. But I remembered that I changed the wheel bearings only about 2 years ago, year and a half, 2 years ago. So I had a feeling it was just saying loose, and it turned out to be just the nut was loose. That's sorted. Another thing sorted, another thing ticked off the list. But yeah, I don't know fully. I don't know fully how I'm going to attack all these different things I need to sort out. But for now, just get to Bilbao and book this ferry, to be honest, and get back. Guys, what's going on? I'm in Bilbao, more or less. I'm going to get the ferry tonight at 7, so got to go to the vet today just to get the all sorted. Final checks with the dog, and then yeah, man, back to the UK. We're moving into the summer. I don't know what to do, I really don't. The wheel bearing's gone. I'm literally 10 metres, a few hundred metres from the ferry, and I'm running in an awkward place, and I don't know what to do. Stress, I feel so much stress. My phone's dead as well, so I can't. The garage crawled, literally. So much stress right now, let's be honest. Got the ferry in half an hour. I don't know, it's so stressful, man. I just don't really have any choice but to give this a go. So I'm here at the ferry, checking in. Brittany Ferries. The wheels nearly come off, but I mean, I don't know what else. Got to go as slow as I can and see if I can somehow get on. If I drive like any more than 2 miles an hour, it makes so much noise, like as if like the worst sound, because there's no, you know, there's no ball joint there now. So, hi guys. So I'm just with Hex Delgado. We've met on the ferry over to the UK. He is the founder of Fitness TMB, Transforming Mind and Body. Very inspirational guy, guys. Get in touch. Yeah, we met. Doing yoga this morning on the boat. The universe always seems to be bringing, you know, you in alignment with those that you resonate with and whatever else. So introducing Heck, been a pleasure. Any little message?
It's all about enjoying the moment and finding people with that have good energy and you can share experiences with.
100%, man. It's a pleasure, and who knows where the journey will take us in the future.
Thank you, Adam.
Nice, man. I'm up on the sun deck, which is a term that can be used loosely, pissing with rain. However, the bulk of the journey's over. Going to be soon in the UK, and the adventure will continue. Thanks for watching the video this week again, guys. As you can see, it's been challenging. Something that I'm getting used to. Challenges, keep overcoming them. The adventure here in Spain's over, and now back to beautiful British weather. Much love, and don't forget to like, subscribe, whatever else. Much love. Ciao.